Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to my review of the Smith & Wesson M&P Officer Knife. This has G10 handle scales. It is a true full tang. It has a lanyard hole. The blade length is 4 inches. It has a glass breaker on the pommel. And the steel is 8CR13 MOV. The normal price on this is around $30, but I bought mine on a before Christmas sale for $22. Alright, so this is one of those tactical SWAT team ninja type knives, at least that's the marketing. Alright, so that is a rigid belt loop, but it also has that clip, right? So you can remove that clip and put the rotating rigid belt loop. Here's the sheath on the belt. Draw it out like so. Oh, here it is on a piece of a box. Alright, this has a utility function. And as you can see, it came very sharp. Right, so when you're not fighting, you can use it for utility. Cutting some paracord. An easy task. Alright, could you use this to cut a seat belt? I'd say so. Alright, here it is on the nylon strap material. Hope you're all doing well these days. Here it is whittling. Now, I don't think anybody buys this to whittle with, but it does speak to the sharpness of the edge, and heck, I mean, who says you can't use this as a camp knife? Okay, the glass breaker is a little crazy for a camp knife, but you never know. So this is marketed as a sort of urban survival or last-ditch type knife, and it's actually very popular because it's very affordable. Alright, so there's my chest piece. So could you defend yourself with this knife? Well, I'd say so. I mean, if you imagine the tree was like the neck of the bad guy. I did smash the glass breaker against a hard surface a few times just to make sure that it would stay pointed, you know what I'm saying? And I think that this definitely could be used to break a window if you had to. It's also a weapon in itself. I would call it an attitude adjuster. Alright, initial sharpness. When I first got the knife, I did this. So mine did come very sharp. I'm definitely pleased with the edge. So what are my final thoughts on this Smith & Wesson Officer Knife? Well, the handle, the contour, and the texture gives you a very strong positive grip. The blade shape excels at piercing, slicing, and slashing. It's definitely long enough to do damage, but yet it is compact enough to be feasible to carry. So overall, I'd say I feel like I got a great deal. I mean, I bought it on sale before Christmas for $22. I feel like I got a great deal, definitely worth the price. Yeah, it's a great rendition of a budget-friendly tactical blade. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Check the links below the video. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.